Hey everyone, this is Jessica Cutler. Welcome to my channel, Cooking in Your Home. Today I am cooking at 28 Hudgins Avenue, Lively, Virginia. This is a very beautiful house in a very nice, quiet neighborhood. This house has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. And I hope you can join me today. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make chicken steak. I got this marinade from the Asian grocery store and it's from Global Steak Seasoning Mix. And the one that important ingredients is my chicken thigh. I love chicken thigh because it's more tender than chicken breast. This one is about 4.5 pounds, and you can do with this marinade up to 6 pounds. The next one for the marinade, I will use coconut milk, 1 can for marinade, and 2 cans for the sauce, the peanut sauce. The peanut sauce and the marinade is in this package. I will show you later on, and I will add peanut butter in it. And the last one that is come with the chicken steak, it will be the pickle. The pickle, I cut cucumber in 4 and slice small pieces, yellow onion and red bell pepper. You can use red onions or you can use other color of bell peppers. It's up to you what you like. And this pickle that I'm gonna make, it will be syrup and a little about 1 to 2 tablespoons of distilled vinegar. It's depending on how sour do you like. Now we're gonna start with marinate the chicken. First of all, I open up this package, and it's come with 2 of the package here. And in the back will tell you which one for marinade, which one for the sauce. And this one for the marinade is in here. It will be turmeric and peppers, a little peppers and a little salt. Okay, what we're gonna do, let's put our gloves on because this is gonna turn yellow and it make your nails and your hand yellow. Okay, we're gonna get our chicken out, and I'll put 1 can of coconut milk in. And this mayonnaise powder. What I do, since I have my gloves on, I just gonna go mix the coconut milk. It smell like turmeric smell, and you just put your chicken thigh in there. We're just gonna make sure that all this chicken, it's spread. All this chicken got soaked into the marinade. Here. I leave it about an hour, but if you want it, you can keep it in the refrigerator, maybe like 3 hours to get it the best, to have it soaked into the chicken. Now we finish this, we're gonna leave this for about an hour, but in the meantime we can make the sauce. Now I'm gonna make the pickle cucumber. I have a cup of water here. I'll just put it in there, and now I'm gonna put in a cup of sugar, just like you make syrup. And we're gonna have about a tablespoon of vinegar. We just have to wait until it's boiled. That will be our pickle for our cucumber. I'm gonna turn up the stove a little bit, make it go fast. My syrup is boiling now. I'm gonna turn off the stove, And what I'm gonna do, I'll add all my vegetable here, cucumber, red pepper, and onion into my bowl. Now I add my syrup into my vegetable. And what you do, you just stir them and mix them and leave them until it cools, as it will be ready to serve. Well, this is our last step, our peanut sauce. I got 2 cans of coconut milk. I want to have it in. And I will have the sauce marinade here. Just open up the packet and also have the spice and peanuts in there. But you want it to be more thick sauce. And you're gonna put the peanut butter in there. Just add it in there. I'll put 2 big spoons in there. And you just keep stir. Now you can see my peanut sauce is boiling and it's ready, and it tastes very, very good. I'm gonna turn off the stove now. It has been an hour already. My chicken is ready. I'm gonna put in the tray. You don't need to spray your tray because the chicken will have the grease come out. It's not gonna stick on your tray. What you do, you just lay it down like this, and we can have it about 7 pieces in the tray. You go on the bottom like this. Okay, I got them all in. And let me take off my gloves. And we're gonna cook at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about half an hour. Here we are, our chicken steak. I'm gonna plate it on the plate. I'm gonna have about 3 pieces. If you eat a lot, here you go. And you put the peanut sauce on top of the chicken. You want a lot, you can put a lot of them there. And this is the cucumber pickle. What you do, you just have it on the side. And when you eat it, you eat the chicken steak and the cucumber pickle. Here you go. This look very good and it's very delicious. Bon appetit.